Palm Jumeirah has some of the most recognizable villas in the world, from Arabian-inspired villas to contemporary mega-mansions overlooking the Atlantis. But what separates each villa? And what actually sets them apart? In this video, I'll break down the key points that you need to know. First, we have the Canal Coves. There are 118 Canal Cove units on the Palm, divided into 6 clusters, all 3 and 4 beds, with big shared gardens and positioned at the gateway of the Fronds. These villas jumped from 3,300 to 4,000 dirhams per square foot in the last 12 months. Next are the garden homes, the most popular type of villa on the Palm. These are located on the Fronds, and there are about 900 of these villas. Prices range from 25 million dirhams all the way up to 80 million dirhams. Here's an example of a standard original condition garden home, built over 20 years ago and selling for around 27 million dirhams. Today, we're seeing the biggest renovation wave in Palm history, with standard villas being transformed into high-end, contemporary beachfront homes. Come and have a look at this one. From an investment standpoint, these villas are commanding a premium rarely seen anywhere else globally. For example, this villa is listed at 70 million dirhams. So if you're considering a plot extension, need clarity on developer approvals, or need advice on selecting the right contractor, reach out to us at Metropolitan. Then we step up to signature villas. Also found on the Fronds, these are significantly larger at around 7,000 square feet, with 5 to 7 bedrooms. The minimum price is around 60 million dirhams, but ones with prime Atlantis views are hitting 150 million dirhams or above. Finally, we have custom-designed villas, mainly located on fronts N, G, H, I, and J. These are one-of-a-kind mansions built on expansive plots designed by private developers. Sizes range from 5,000 square feet all the way to 20,000 square feet. As for all the villas on the Palm, the privacy and the security is unmatched. With close proximity to restaurants, malls, and the major attractions, the location speaks for itself. If you want a detailed breakdown about Palm Jumeirah, are interested in one of our upcoming listings, or simply want a valuation of your property, get in touch with us today for an expert consultation.